Welcome to everybody on e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy. Myself, Rakesh Ranjan, science teacher in St. Michael's Academy. In this part of video, I teach the students of class 10 and the chapter name is How to Organism Reproduce. And also in this chapter, in previous video, we all study about in details about reproduction. Now some important topics here is given in the copy. Everybody try to note down in your SW copy and try to learn for examination point of view. And all topics are most important. So you all note down this materials given here in this page, 2 pages. In 2 pages there are some topics you all try to note down and remember for examination. Now, one by one, I explain in details about this topic. First topic is reproductive health. What is reproductive health? Everybody know that reproduction is the most important process of all the living beings for maintaining their generations and species for the future. So, each and every living organism has 6 organs, and also it is necessary for healthy baby and production of healthy baby. Reproductive organs are also be healthy. So what are means of reproductive health? Reproductive health means all the part of or organs present in our body help in reproduction or becomes healthy for this work. This is related to reproductive health. And also it is concerned with healthy and safe sexual practices. Unhealthy practices can lead to transmission of various types of disease. And also sexual intercourse involves intimate physical contact between the male and female sex organs, which may transmit certain disease are called sexually transmitted disease. And also in short, we all say that STD, sexually transmitted diseases. Now, these types of disease also harmful for our body, and also they can affect our reproductive organs and also the production of new young ones. So we should always try to keep safe our body and also keep safe our reproductive organs to prevent us from various types of disease. So now some measures, safety measures and also prevention which keep us sexually fit and also healthy. Following precautions can be taken for this work. First, using condoms over the penis. Second, using disposable needles and syringes. Now third, not sharing shaving blades and needles. Next, not having multiple sex partners. Now 5, testing the blood for HIV before transfusing it. These are some important safety measures which can prevent us from various types of sexually transmitted disease, and we all keep healthy and also our sex organs are also becomes healthy. Now next topic, family planning. What is family planning? As you know, population and also population growth in our country is grow in a very rapid way, and also our total number of population is on second position in the whole world, and approximately 125 crores the population of our country, And also it is said that in nearest future we all on the number one position in the world on the basis of population. So this is not a good for any country, and also this can hamper the progress of any country in all respects. So it is necessary that we all try to control our population. So in this we all study about family planning. Family planning means various types of means we all utilized to decrease the rapid growth of population, and also we all try to control in the growth of population according to our wish. It is possible to limit the size of a family through various means. One is to prevent pregnancy or conception. Conception can be prevented in the following way. In general way, we all try to use various types of means to stop pregnancy in female. First topic, mechanical barrier. Mechanical barrier is the method by which we all try to meet the sperm and ovum by different means. As example, stop the meeting of sperm to the egg. This is also used by following means. First is called condom. Condom worn over the penis during sexual intercourse, which prevent the meeting of sperm and ovum. Second, a diaphragm or cap can be fitted in the cervix of a woman to prevent semen from reaching the fallopian tube. Next, copper T. This is a metal T-shaped structure made from copper. It is a contraceptive device for women, and also it also prevent the meeting the sperm to ovum. Now next method, chemical method. This chemical method we all utilize oral contraceptives in the form of tablet can be taken to change the hormonal balance so that ovum is not released. In this method we all take orally medicine or by the help of injection. We all try to stop or unbalance the menstrual cycle due to hormonal imbalance, and also prevent the releasing of ovum in the female body. Next, surgical method. In male, a sperm duct tied by a thread. In female, ligature of the fallopian tube can be prevent the passage of ovum. So these are some important method and effective method to prevent the meeting of sperm and ovum in male and also in female. So these methods are effective and also known as family planning. By using these types of method, we all try to control our population growth and also try to grow or try to give birth young ones according to our wish, and also this is good thing for our country, and also this help in the proper development of our country also. So in this part of video, we all study most important topics related to this chapter, reproduction. You all note down this and try to learn for examination. Now I complete my video. Thank you.